In today video we talk about shaft opening. Okay, what is shaft opening and how we do it. So let's start. Shaft opening is actually for the ventilation purpose. You have to open first floor to last floor. Okay, we have to do hole in all the floor from top to bottom. Suppose I have this model, and now I will create this in multi-storage building so that you can understand clearly about the shaft. So first copy all this one and copy and paste, align to selected view, and I will paste in all the floor. Okay, go in 3D. You will see the multi-storage building. In this way you can also create multi-storage building. Okay, suppose I want shaft here. Okay, this floor I don't need this floor. Okay, so I delete this floor. Okay, now we have deleted. So actually I want shaft here. Okay, for that we have to go in shaft here, click on the shaft, select any profile. So suppose I am selecting rectangular profile, come in first floor. I want here 8 feet shaft. Okay, suppose 6 feet shaft. Okay, go in 3D. You can see here profile, it's first floor and second level. So for that base offset is minus 1, and the top is, suppose we have to do a up to level 12. Click on the level 12. You will see hole is created from top to bottom. Okay, suppose you don't need last floor, first floor. So here you can base offset you can give 0. It will not hold the first floor. Okay, and you suppose you want to change, you can change from here arrow also. With the help of arrow you can adjust, change. Suppose you can see with the help of arrow you can change also. Up from here you can set your levels also. Suppose click on the profile, base level is itna and top constant level is 12. You can create from here also. In this way you can create shaft. Okay, for any building, multi-storage building, you need to create shaft. Okay, in this way you can create your shaft. Thank you for watching the video.